Good afternoon. We discussed two's complement, adder, subtractor in the last class. And before that class also we had discussed half adder, full adder, parallel adder. So very clearly. And we discussed corresponding truth tables also, and logic gates. How do we construct a half adder with simple diagram, and how can we construct a half adder with NOR gates? Like same way, how do we construct a full adder with half adders, and how do we add bits using two's complements? All these are discussed in the last class. In this class we are going to discuss about on completion of this period you will be able to know operation of decoder, operation of 2 to 4 decoder, operation of 3 to 8 decoder, recap, operation of 4 is to 1 mux or multiplexer. We completed multiplexer also, and so it is a recap of operation of 4 to 1 multiplexer. So decoders, existence of decoder. In olden days, so printers used were typewriters, good printers. To print a wheel turned brought the A key up, which then was stuck on the paper. Letters are encoded as 8-bit codes inside the computer. When the particular combination of bits that encodes A is detected, we want to activate the output line corresponding to A. How to do this detection using decoder? General idea: given a 2-bit input, detect which of the 2 power k combinations is represented. Produce 2 power k outputs, only one of which is 1. A n to 2 power n decoder takes n bit input and produces 2 power n outputs. The n inputs represents a binary number that determines which of the 2 power n outputs is uniquely true. The 2-bit input is called S1, S0, and the 4 outputs are Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. If the input is the binary number I, then output Qi is uniquely true. Generally, decoder, what it does means, it decodes the bits. For example, it takes one input or n inputs. It gives the 2 power n outputs. That is called decoding. Means n inputs are transmitted in the form of 2 power n outputs. Logic circuits of 2 into 4 decoder means 2 is the input lines, 4 is the output lines. It is just like this, 2 power n lines output. Your input is 2. 2 power 2 is the 4 output lines it has. Like here, S0, S1 are the inputs, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 are outputs. Here are the decoder input lines and output lines. Decoder is taking 2 input lines and giving 2 power 2, that is 4 output lines. It is a diagram of decoder, that is 2 to 4 decoder or 2 into 4 decoder or 2 by 4 decoder. Here, truth table of decoder. Truth table of 2 to 4 decoder. Inputs S1, S0. Outputs Q3, Q2, Q1, Q0. For two combinations of inputs, for two inputs, 2 power 2, 4 combinations we get. That is for S1 and S0, the combinations are of inputs 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. These combinations we get for two inputs of S1 and S0. Whenever two inputs S1 and S0 are at these combinations 0, 0, the output will be Q3 0, Q2 0, Q1 0, Q0 is the 1. For 0, 1 combination of inputs, the Q1 becomes 1 and Q3 0, Q2 0, Q0 becomes 0. For 1, 0 combination of input, Q2 becomes 1, Q3 remains 0, Q1 becomes 0, Q0 0. For 1, 1 combinations of inputs, Q3 becomes 1 and Q2 0, Q1 0, Q0 0. It is the table of decoder. It is 2 to 4 decoder truth table. For instance, if the input S1 S0 equal to 1 0, it is a decimal 2, then output Q2 is true and Q0, Q1, Q3 are all false. This circuit decodes a binary number into a 1 of 4 code. To build a 2 to 4 decoder, from the truth table, we can write equations for each of the 4 outputs Q0 to Q3 based on the 2 inputs S0, S1. For S1 S0 and outputs Q3, Q2, Q1, Q0, for 0 0, Q0 is 1, for 0 1, Q1 is 1, for 1 0, Q2 is 1, and for 1 1, Q3 is 1, and rest all are becomes 0. For this, here there are equations for Q0. S1 complement S0 complement, for Q1 S1 complement S0, for Q2 equal to S1 S0 complement, for Q3 S1 S0. These are the equations from the truth table. Logic circuit of 2 to 4 decoder. Here same truth table is given, and we have to focus on the logic circuits. This is the logic circuit. For Q0, it is S1 complement, S0 complement. Hence, both are taken from the NOT gate output, because it becomes then only S1 complement, S0 complement. It is a Q0. There are AND gates, 4 AND gates are there. One AND gate for Q0, second AND gate output is for Q1, third AND gate output is for Q2, and fourth AND gate in output is for Q3. Like that, for Q0 output, Q0 should be equal to the S1 dash S0 dash, that means complement. Hence, it is taken from the NOT gates. For Q1 equal to, it is S1 dash and S0. Hence, S1 is taken from the NOT gate and S0 is taken directly. For Q2, S1 and S0 dash. Hence here S0 is taken from NOT gate and S1 is taken directly. For Q3, S1, S0, no complement. Hence, these are taken directly from the S1 and S0 bits. This is the logic diagram of 2 to 4 decoder. Because here there are 2 inputs and 4 outputs. Hence it is called as 2 to 4 decoder or 2 cross 4 decoder or 2 by 4 decoder. This is circuit diagram of 2 to 4 decoder. It has 2 input lines and 4 output lines, that is n to 2 power n. It has n input lines, 2 power n output lines. Enable input. Many devices have n additional enable input which is used to activate or deactivate the device. Means here enable input is only for activate or deactivate the circuit. It is the main function of enable input is this. For a decoder, En equal to 1 activates the decoder so it behaves as specified earlier. Exactly one of the outputs will be 1. Not others. When En equal to 0, or enable input is 0, deactivates the decoder. The decoder, by convention, that means all of the decoder's output are 0. We can include this additional input in the decoder's truth table. Inputs now, instead of only two inputs S1 and S0, we included here enable input. We know that if enable input is 0, it is circuit gets deactivate, all outputs becomes 0. Whenever enable input is high, the circuit function as decoder and only one of the output remains high. Now here it becomes three outputs now, inputs now. For three inputs, 2 power 3 is equal to 8. There we get 8 combinations. They are 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, triple 1, 1 1 1. These are the 8 combinations of inputs. If see in this truth table, as long as enable input is 0, then all the outputs are 0. Observe in the truth table, if enable input is 0, as long as enable input is 0, all outputs from Q3, Q2, Q1, Q0 all outputs remains 0. Truth tables. In this table, note that whenever En equal to 0, the outputs are always 0 regardless of inputs S1 and S0. This is shown in truth table. All outputs are 0. We can abbreviate the table by writing X in the input columns for S1 and S0. If enable is 0, whatever be the inputs for S1 and S0, it is don't care, the output remains 0. It is the meaning of that. Block diagram of 2x4 decoder using enable. There is one enable input and 2 inputs S1 and S0, 4 outputs Q3, Q2, Q1, Q0. This is the block diagram of 2 to 4 decoder with the enable inputs. Q0 equal to S1, S0 bar, Q1 equal to S1 bar, S0, Q2 equal to S1, S0 bar, Q3 equal to S1, S0. 3 to 8 decoder. Here it is. There are 3 inputs: S0, S1, S2, except enable input. If we consider enable input also, it becomes 4 inputs. The outputs are Q7, Q6, Q5, Q4, Q3, Q2, Q1, Q0. Larger decoders are similar. Here is a 3 to 8 decoder. The block symbol is on right side. The same figure is here. This is the block diagram shown. Now, truth table of 3 to 8 decoder. For 3 combination of inputs, same. For 3 inputs, 2 power 3, 8 combinations we get 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, triple 1. For triple 0, its value is 0, hence Q0 is 1. For 0, 0, 1, input value is 1, hence Q1 is 1. For 0, 1, 0, its value is 2, hence Q2 is 1. For 0, 1, 1, its value is 3, hence Q3 is 1. For 1, 0, 0, its value is 4, hence Q4 is 1. For 1, 0, 1, its value is 5, hence Q5 is 1. 1, 1, 0, its value is 6, hence Q6 is 1. Triple 1, its value is 7, hence Q7 is 1. Output equations from the truth table. For Q0, S2 complement, S1 complement, S0 complement, because all are zeros. For Q1 equal to S2 complement, S1 complement, S0. For Q2 equal to S2 complement, S1, S0 complement. For Q3, S2 complement, S1, S0. For Q4, S2, S1 complement, S0 complement. For Q5, S2, S1 complement, S0. For Q6, S2, S1, S0 complement. For Q7, S2, S1, S0. So logic diagram is same as per the equations studied. There are 2 inputs, either S0, S1, S2 or A0, A1, A2. and for their complements NOT gates are used. For no complement, direct is given. For example, VC for D0 or Q0. For Q0, all are complements. Hence, here NOT gates are given. Input is taken from the NOT gate. They becomes what? Complement of 3 bits. Like that, the logic circuit is developed. It is 3 to 8 decoder logic diagram. Summary. We have discussed about operation of decoder, operation of 2 to 4 decoder, operation of 3 to 8 decoder. Quiz. Decoder is opposite of multiplexer, demultiplexer, encoder, none of the above. Decoder is opposite to the encoder, hence option C is the right answer. Decoder circuit of 2 input lines gives outputs 2 to the power of 2 means 4 outputs. Answer B is the 4 outputs. Decoder is used to convert. Decoder is used to convert binary to octal, BCD to decimal, hexadecimal to binary, all the above. Frequently asked questions. Draw the circuit diagram of 3 to 8 decoder and explain the working. Frequently asked question 3 to 8 can be asked or 2 to 4 decoder can be asked. These are the frequently asked questions. Assignment. Assignment is what? It is a question expected. Draw the circuit diagram of 3 to 8 decoder or draw the circuit diagram of 2 to 4 decoder and explain the working. So in today's class we discussed the decoder clearly with circuit diagram and with the equations. We discussed 2 types of decoders. They are 2 to 4 decoder and 3 to 8 decoder. We discussed here, and in the next class we discuss next topic.